In this video, I will show you how to set up a vacation responder. First, click the settings and see all settings. Go to general and scroll down. Then we can see vacation responder. Tick this vacation responder on and set the date of your vacation. So in here, you need to input your subject. So out of office, vacation response. And then create an automated email. So hello there, I'm Shen. I'm currently on a vacation and will be back on July 31. I will respond to your email as soon as possible upon my return. If urgent, please contact my colleague at Thank you for your understanding. Best regards, Shen. And after that, save changes.